guys!
Welcome back.
Yay, Space, Space, and Bats with Whitney and Bree.
Hey.
Long time no see. Missed ya.
Yes.
So we decided to pop in real quick. It's just Whitney and I. Jordan's taking some time off. So we decided to do some subscriber requests. So if you're new here, we have Sebastian here. Little baddies with the subscriber requests, and we're in a draw. And we have ATEEZ. I'm the one. I believe that's the latest.
Yes. So if you may be new to the channel, we do have 2 scales that we rate our videos on. The first scale is our baddie scale. We go from 0 to 10 depending on how baddie the video drives us.
Second scale is the panty scale. We rate hotness in videos, auditory, visual. That scale works the opposite way. We start off with 10. We have all pantied up. As the moments happen, we lose one. So the goal on that scale is to reach 0. So ideally, 10 is 0. That's what we shoot for here at BBB.
Yep.
All right, so let's do this. Okay, so do group. Heard the name, seen it cycle through on our recommendations, but not familiar with it all. That, and then our one particular subscriber that will forever always ask for ATEEZ.
This is for you.
Dedicated for you. Loving the tree. I was just thinking that, like tree. Oh gosh, stylish.
I love that hair color.
I love the mix of the jackets, the crops and the longs, and then the tailored shoulder and then the patch. Ooh. It's kind of like, almost like a crop kind of zoot suit.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really cool. Ooh.
Okay.
I love that drop. Oh, their styling is spectacular.
I love their outfits.
Yeah, it's kind of very futuristic.
It's very much something Kai would wear.
Very well known for his crop top. I think I'm running around one of those at Wasteland Weekend.
Yeah.
The color is just stunning. Can you guys help us out? This one didn't have captions. So I would love
going off with the video.
I would love to know what the lyrics are.
I'm not usually a fan of lighter denim.
Yeah, I love their rapper flow. That was really good. Really ooh! It's a shadow. I love the shadow. He takes. Oh my gosh. I like how it's intense, but it's also a little lighthearted at the same time.
Yeah.
I think that shot was the underground rave of it too. It's in the basement like that. Yeah, right. Look just like that lighting place. Oh my god, I love that shot. Rude. Are you going to cut out?
Exactly.
Oh my god. That PVC red suit is gorgeous.
I'm loving like all the straps off and everything too.
Oh, they got style. Nice. I love the energy. Very energetic. Bonus. We get more. Oh my god, that mask.
Hello, quarantine mask. All right. So 1, rude. How dare you come at us like that?
I wasn't ready. I feel attacked.
And 2, lots of energy.
Yeah, I love that.
Wow. Okay. So scales. I'm gonna go with a 10 for that one on baddie scale because that was just everything. The imagery, the movement, the style.
The transitions.
All of there. Yes. Camera work.
The flow. Just that one shot where it was really fast drop and then it went through the floor.
So you feel it hard.
That.
Oh, yeah.
That made me catch my breath a little bit. I felt my stomach leave me a little bit.
Right. And then panty scale wise.
Wait. We do know they're of age, yes?
Not positive.
Okay.
So we'll do a soft panty scale. If that makes sense.
I want to say, I believe they are. I don't know how many this group is, but I feel like they have been out for some time.
Let's do a real quick check.
Yes. Safety check.
They're all in their 20s. The youngest is 21 years old, so yeah, we're good.
Hooray! Safety checks.
Yay!
We're good. Panty scale.
Yeah,
let it
panty scale. 8. So 2. 2 panties.
It's been a while, huh?
Yeah, math, no. So, yeah, I'm going to say 2 panties, because
that's pretty sweet, yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty stellar.
Yeah.
Actually, I might be right there with you.
Yeah. Full skills.
10 and 2, yeah, for sure.
It's the body rolls.
Yeah, and their styling, those crop tops, jackets. I love jackets and shrugs. I don't know if you've ever seen any of my outfits or whatever. Yeah. Even when it's freaking hot as hell here.
Layers.
Yeah, layers. And I love the shrugs and the jackets. It's just something about the silhouette and the tailoredness of it. And you just feel really sharp.
Yes.
And
you can always take it off.
Yeah.
That's why you layer.
You get me every time. Song-wise is good too. I like the flow of it. I like the... I didn't feel like it was a stutter or... Because you know how sometimes when the transitions and there's just too long of a pause and it's a little too drawn out.
Actually.
But not. It was like, boom, came at you. And yeah, I liked it.
Flow was really
took it a journey.
Good beat too.
For real. I would definitely drop that on the playlist. That one's making playlists. Yeah. I just want to play dress up. And then the mix between like the street and then the sophistication, the stylish, I love how they blended that, and like each member was very
still individual,
yes,
but they all very cohesive as well.
Yes, and I'm very much a fan of more aggressive dancing and the shoulder pops and punching and kicking and stuff. Yeah, I'm a redhead. So yeah, solid. Thanks for recommending.
Yes.
Sorry it took so long to get to that, but dang,
but it paid off.
Worth it. So yeah, give us a little more details, please.
Who is your bias or wrecker?
Fill us in.
Because I definitely see a couple.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, okay,
there's so much eye-catching. Awesome.
All right.
Thanks, guys. Get you on the next one. Kiss, kiss.